It's time for me to harvest these peppers. You can see them, they are very close to the house. It's learning how to maximize space here. And I like to talk about reaping and sowing because it's one of a principle that does not only apply to plants, it also applies to our lives because in the Bible it says that if you sow in unrighteousness, you're going to reap death, and if you sow in righteousness, you're going to reap life. In other words, the choices you make, they're going to have consequences. I made a choice to plant this pepper earlier on in the year, and you can see now it's time for me to harvest. I'm harvesting peppers because I planted peppers. I'm not expecting to harvest mangoes because that's not what I planted. And this applies in all areas of our lives. If you want to prosper, if you want to do well, you need to be planting the right type of seeds. It's not something that you just get overnight and you can harvest without planting. This is actually the fourth time that I'm harvesting this pepper. It's done very well, and I'm very happy that the peppers responded. And right now, I'm a happy farmer, happy gardener, if you want to call it like that, because I planted. Please make sure you are planting the right seeds in your life, in other areas of your life, and you're going to reap in due season. When it comes to planting, don't grow weary if you plant, and some of the seeds are not going to do well, but if you plant enough seeds, out of all those seeds you will be able to reap some. It's not just about the plant, it's about your life, your financial life, your health, your relationship, your spiritual life, your professional life. You need to plant the right seeds in them. It's up to you. Stop complaining, stop blaming people. Ask yourself, what seeds have I planted in my health? What seeds have I planted in my finance? What seeds have I planted in my relationships? I mean, it's stealing if you want to harvest where you've not planted. It's very important to know that each day you have an opportunity to plant seeds, and when you plant the right seeds, you're going to harvest in due season. If you want to be healthy, you know what you're supposed to do, right? Eat less, eat the right type of food, eat at the right time, and exercise. Go out and exercise. As easy as that sounds, if you don't do it, your health is going to suffer. On the financial side, you plant seeds by saving money. Don't spend all what comes into your hands. What you earn, you spend more than you're making, you're going to be broke. So the only way is to spend less and save some of the money. Learn how to talk to your husband or to your wife in the right way, and to your kids and those are in relationships with. That's going to help. Thank you for watching. Sow some seeds, sow a lot of them. Expect a harvest, and you have it in due season. God bless you.